back to Flex Candle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. I'm Flex, and today we're diving into a full top-down analysis on Bitcoin. We're going to start from the higher time frames, work our way down to the lower time frames, and check to see if we find any good setups. Now remember, this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Alright guys, it's about 3:15 p.m. Eastern time. The price of Bitcoin is currently at 111,900. And starting off here with the weekly chart, I was talking to you guys about this yesterday, that this kind of looks like an evening star, where you have the green candle here, an indecisive red, and then a red engulfing candle as well. It's still too early to tell. It's 5 days and 5 hours away before this candle closes, but so far that's how it looks, and that is a bearish pattern. We are still currently above the 21 moving average at 111,284. So Stochastics RSI look good, like be on the way up, but I'm also starting to see a little curve here on this blue line, so maybe we could roll over. We head over to the 3-day chart. We see that the Stochastics kind of do look like they want to roll over. Hopefully they don't, and they could continue going back up. What's bearish here is that we did lose the 21 moving average, and right now we're testing the 50 moving average, which is at 110,374. Now heading over to the daily chart, yesterday we closed another red candle. It was a big red engulfing one. Some could even say that this was kind of like a little left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We already played out this kind of head and shoulder move here. We did lose all the moving averages. Currently right now we wicked up to about almost 113,400, but we could not get back above that 100 moving average and stay above it. Right now we're coming back down. Stochastics still need more room to continue going down. I see us probably going down for like another 2 days or so before we could reset. Hopefully we'll have more luck by the weekend or towards next week. I still kind of have this in a cup and handle, even though we're dropping out of the handle. I also have this in a bear flag, which is possible. This bear flag is on the 4-hour, and this could take us down to about 108,950 or so. I could readjust this and still kind of make it look like we are in a cup and handle, kind of. If I, some could say it's a little bit forced, but you know what, let's give it a shot. We're still below the cup and handle here, but if we reset, we could easily get back up. So I'm gonna use this for right now. Let's see what ends up happening here. Now we head over to the 10-hour chart. We see that the Stochastics are reset, so I'm expecting some type of a move at some point. Even though we could still drag here for a little while, we could come up, roll over, and stay here for a while. A 6-hour chart, Stochastics, as you can see, kind of still want to roll over, but what I like is that we are still currently low on the Stochastics. Now the Stochastics RSI for the 4-hour, yesterday it looked like they were going to roll over. Now they're kind of curving back up. We are still below the 200 moving average. This is where I did create this bear flag, and so far we are tracing it. Let's see if that plays out, or if it doesn't. I'm hoping that it doesn't, and we could get back into that cup and handle play to 125. 1-hour chart, we haven't really been able to regain the 21 moving average either. This was kind of looking like it could have been an inverted head and shoulder, and now we're kind of getting a little bit almost below the head. We are about to reset. Let's see if when we reset, we're able to get back above the 21 moving average and get back above this 200 moving average at 115,372. That's the first thing that we need to do to remain bullish. And the 15-minute chart does look like we did reset on the Stochastic RSI. We are kind of far away from the 21 moving average, which is at 112,433. So I could see us making a run back up here, and this will be the test. If by the time we get to the top of the Stochastics, we haven't been able to get above this 21 moving average with strength, and we get rejected, then we probably will see more downside. If we're able to get above this 21 moving average with strength, then maybe on the way down on the Stochastics, we could go retest the 21 and then bounce up from there. So let's keep our eyes open for that. Overall, I'm neutral right now, slightly bearish just because we're below the 200 moving average on the 4-hour, but we're not severely below the 200 moving average on the 4-hour. Now, if this bear flag does play out, then I do have to be confidently bearish that we're probably going to have some downside that continue to go sideways in those lower levels. But for now, as long as we stay above 110k and do not close any daily candles underneath 110k, I still feel like we're in the range between 110k and 120k. All right guys, so that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe, and if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is Flex Candle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.